In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into Gmail using Chrome. Whether you're checking your emails for work, school, or just staying in touch with friends and family, signing into Gmail is straightforward and quick. Let's break it down step by step, and before you know it, you'll be navigating your inbox with ease. First, open Chrome on your device. Chrome is one of the most popular web browsers, and it's designed by Google, which means it's perfectly optimized for accessing Gmail. In the address bar, type in google.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to Google's homepage, a familiar starting point for many of our online activities. Once you're on Google's homepage, you'll notice the search bar prominently displayed. Here, type Gmail and click on the search icon or press enter. You'll see a list of search results, but pay close attention to find Gmail, SAT, Google, or similar, typically found at the top. Clicking this link will redirect you to Gmail's page. Now that you're on the Gmail page, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Sign In button. It's typically highlighted to catch your attention, making it easy to locate. Go ahead and click this button to proceed. With the sign-in portal before you, it's time to enter your login details. First, you'll input your email address. Make sure there are no typing errors, as even a small mistake can prevent you from accessing your account. After entering your email, click Next to move on to the password field. Input your password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check that your keyboard isn't accidentally set to caps lock. Once your password is entered correctly, click the Next button again and give it a moment to load. If all is well, you'll be directed straight to your Gmail inbox, and that's all there is to it. Having your login credentials ready ensures a seamless process. In just a few simple steps, you're now signed into Gmail using Chrome and ready to read, send, and manage your emails. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password, considering any recent changes you might have made. Remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial, so try to avoid saving them on shared devices. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope this guide made the process clear and stress-free. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.